Hello, everyone. Shalom and greetings to everyone that's watching. Welcome to Victoria's Collection. I'm using my a better camera and a better phone this time around. The last video I did, it wasn't good, so I'm finna jump right into the video. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about a few things because y'all know me. I talk about a variety of things. So I'm gonna be talking about a DIY project that I'm doing with a china set that my mother gave me, an antique china set that I was actually trying to sell, but I decided not to sell it because it was given to me and passed down to me to keep in the family. Um and guys, you know that I'm trying to sell my stuff on eBay and OfferUp, and I'm trying to, sell more items so I can make income for myself for the nomad lifestyle that I'm trying to create and someday live. And if you all been watching my channel and been following what I've been up to lately, you'll know what's been going on with me. So guys, I'm trying to get myself together because I really didn't plan this video. It's kind of random. But anyways, my plate, I mean, not my plate, but this is a serving bowl. It's an antique serving bowl by Nortake China, and it's from Japan, and it's an antique set. And it broke or whatever. The whole thing split, and I didn't take before and after pictures, so I apologize, but I'm gonna have some clips of examples of how it broke in half. But this whole thing was broken in half, and you can see the split where I used some clay to bind it together, but the clay didn't work either. I ended up using some clay, and I'm gonna show y'all that later, the clay that I used. I'm gonna show that in the clip. So anyways, this part clipped off too. This part, when my mom gave it to me, this part was chipped off. So I had to repair that with some clay, and all the way down the middle I had to repair it with clay. And right here. So it was chipped in certain areas. Everywhere where you see the clay, that's where it was chipped at. And I really liked this bowl. It has a lot of potential, and it's an antique. It's expensive if I resell it. So not resell it, but if I sell it, it's a lot of money involved. So I'm gonna be doing a DIY. I don't really want to call it a DIY project, but then again, it's still a DIY project. But I messed up because I didn't do the before and after, and I didn't show you guys how I did it. But I am going to paint it to do the last touches. So now I'm about to go into what I use to bond it together. So if anybody's interested in some antiques that was passed down from your mom or your family, and you want to keep it in the family, and it's a china set and it's broken, but you want to, just preserve it so it'll stay intact, you can use, because I started off using clay. But then I don't want to open that up. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna just show y'all the clip. But I used some clay, and I'll show y'all the clip. And then I also used a glue gun, and I used I think it was called Gorilla, the Gorilla glue sticks. And that's what helped it bond together, because the clay wasn't working, because it's old clay that I folded back up in the package, and it started getting hard or whatever. So you have to add water to it to soften it up. And so it just wasn't doing it, because that clay is made for you to make pottery. But anyways, guys, and I'm gonna show y'all what I made. I'm gonna show y'all how I made a pottery clay bowl out of it in a clip. But right now, basically what I used was a super glue to bind the bowl together. And once I got it bond together, then I used some clay. I used the clay that I was telling you guys about to bond it more, to give it that more firmer touch. But this is what got it to bond and come back together when it was broken in half. So after I did that, and bonded together, then I had the issue where that part was chipped. A big huge part was chipped. So what I did was I took the clay and I put it on top, and I folded it over, and that was it. Now people can use like a sandpaper to sand it down. I'm not gonna be doing all of that. I just basically just like put it on there to just close it up, or whatever, because it was chipped up real bad. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after, and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna paint it. But basically, once I paint everything, I think I'm gonna do silver and gold colors with our acrylic paints. But basically, when I get done painting all the imperfections from the pottery clay and the glue, you're not gonna really tell the difference, but it's gonna have some defined lines or whatever. And I'm not gonna use this, is not gonna be used as a serving bowl or nothing like that. And I'm gonna show y'all a clip of the whole China set. And if you've been following me, you know what China set I'm talking about, because I was actually trying to sell it. I had it on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. However, I decided to not sell it and I took it down, I think 2 days ago. And what I'm gonna do with this bowl is just gonna be a home decorative, like on like a table in the living room area. So that's what I'm gonna use this for. In the other set, what I have that I'll show you a clip above, it's just basically gonna be used for my Passover meals. Like when I do my holy days and when I do Passover, it'll be used for Passover or very fancy times when I want to bring my mother's China set that she passed down to me. So guys, if y'all are interested and y'all have some pieces that you want to repair, this can be a good idea that you can use clay and super glue. And you'll need a super glue gun. And I actually you can buy this from Walmart, but I brought this from Target in Atlanta. At the Buckhead, the Lenox Square Mall. It's a Target across the street. And I brought it from that Target years ago. And it's a real tiny one, as you can see, but it does the trick. So I use glue gun and clay to bond everything together. So guys, I'm finna come back with another clip because this clip is starting to be lengthy. But before I go or whatever, I wanted to say one more thing before I go into the next clip, is that when I get through painting the imperfections to cover up the clay and the glue gun, I'm basically going to use a Mod Podge. And I might be not pronouncing that correctly, but it's basically a substance that go on top of after you done painted or whatever you done did to it, and it gives it like a glossy finish, like a nice professional glossy finish. So guys, that's what I'm going to do once it's all the way done. Now, the next video, I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to, you're just going to see me kind of fast forward the video. So you're not just sitting there just looking at me. Before, I know I said I was going to get off, and I am, but I have some more things I need to talk about before I get into the DIY. I'll come back. Okay, guys, I'm back again. So what I had forgot to talk to you guys about, this jacket that I have on, it's like a fur, like fleece type feel. It feels real soft, like a bear fur, but like very soft. It has like it's like some type of little fur. And I got it from Croft and Borrow, the cozy jacket. It's a Shepra jacket. And it's real soft. It has like this nice like fur feel or whatever. And the reason why I'm showing you this, guys, is because I'm with Kohl's, and Kohl's gave me a $5 gift card to use at their store. It's like a $5 like coupon. It's like money. It's like Kohl's money. And I took the $5 and went to the clearance area, and I found this. And I was like, wow, this is so cute. And I wanted to show you guys this. And I'm gonna show you a picture as a clip above or whatever of the brand and what it's made out of and all of that. And I only paid $4.40, guys. But when I gave them the $5 for this jacket, they brought it down to like $3 and something. Then Kohl's gave me another 30% off. So I only paid, like, I think it dropped it down to like $3 and some change. So basically it went down to zero. So that $5 they gave me, it completely paid for it. So you can't beat this, guys. Like, I got a good deal, and it zips all the way up to the neck. And it has like a little ribbon thing, a little ribbon on the zipper. and it can fold down like that, and you can fold it, you can go all the way up. So I just thought this was like the coolest jacket, and they only had two of these left, small and extra large, and this is a small. So guys, y'all can tell I lost a lot of weight from people that been watching me years that been watching me for some years now. But I'm going to put it up in the up above so you can see how much I paid for it, and then I'm gonna try to show you like the receipt and the name of the jacket and what it's made out of. But guys, it is so cute. It is so cute. And it has two pockets, and it also have a pocket inside, which I'm not going to show you. But it has the inside pocket as well in the inside of the jacket. And it's super soft. It's made out of this material that I can't really describe, but it's really, really soft. It's really, really soft. And you can kind of see the texture of it or whatever. So guys, I'm finna come back with another video of me guys, don't click off yet. Well, y'all ain't gonna click off because it's gonna go in segments. But I keep forgetting that I have more to say. And like I said, this video was random, but I wanted to I haven't been sharing with you guys like money tips and how to make money using apps, and how I make money here and there. It's not nothing that's gonna take over your job or your business or a main income, but it's ways to make a little extra money and cash on the side. And I had kind of got discouraged of talking to you guys about that because I don't get enough likes, I don't get enough subscribers. I think I only had like 4 subscribers for like years on out with me just doing videos, but I wasn't really into the YouTube thing or whatever. But now I'm like more into the YouTube thing, and I've been doing a lot of videos lately. Over some time I got like 27 subscribers, so I really appreciate the people that subscribed. I know that's not a lot of subscribers, but I should be thankful because that's a start. And now in today's world, it's hard to get subscribers, so I appreciate the 27 subscribers that I recently got last year. So I decided to share this app with you guys that is not on my referral program business, because I don't get any referrals from this, but they do have like a referral link for me to refer people, but I'm not sure if they're going to give me anything. But I wanted to help you guys and share it with you. And it's called Surveys on the Go. And some of y'all probably already done heard of it. It's similar to QMe, and if y'all go back through my older videos, you'll see QMe, the link for QMe if you're interested in that, and I'll put the link there for QMe if you're interested. But right now I'm advertising Surveys on the Go. So Surveys on the Go, it's like a app. Let me see if I could turn down this thing on here so you can see it. So let me see. So basically it's Surveys to Go. Yeah, Surveys to Go is that one right there. And it's a green box, and it has a letter S in it with a not a letter S, but it's a dollar sign, and it's on a square green box, and it's called Surveys on the Go. And you can download it from your Apple store or your what you call it, Play Store if you have an Android, such as myself. And basically you can earn money, and they give you like money like every week, I think, or every end of the month they'll throw you like 25 cents or somewhere around the cents, and you don't have to do anything. Then every other time you will log in all the time to get into your you can't really see this, so it's really no sense of showing it. But they have weekend giveaways where they give you like $100 or whatever. You get payday where they give you let me look. I think it's 25 cent weekly. Yeah, you get 25 cent weekly to a max out of $1 each month. And you basically turn on your notifications so they can give you, like, one time I made $12 on here. So sometimes you might make $12, $20 all in one at once. So guys, this is a pretty good one. It's called Surveys on the Go. And over time, I have made over $100. Like I've been having them for years, Surveys on the Go, and I done made so much money with them. But it's a very slow process. Every month, you might not cash out for months on out, but it's an extra little small little income thing that you can add on to little extra monies. Once you get up to, like, right now, I think I have $8 And I'll show y'all a clip. I have $8.45, and once I get to $10, I can redeem it. So like I said, you have to check in, and sometimes they'll give you a notification, and you just have to keep checking in, and they'll just give you opportunities to do surveys and also ways to make really high payouts. Like I said, the recent payout I had last year was $12. And that was just me answering questions about a retail store that I had just left. So that's why it's important to turn on your notifications in your settings so they can give you high paying surveys. And the surveys are sometimes they can be lengthy, and sometimes they're just simply little short questions. But it's called Surveys on the Go, and you cash out at $10. And like I said, your payments can be different. Some people, they got better demographics and better things to offer Surveys on the Go. You might make $25. I have made $20 before, just going to Home Depot and just showing them a certain shelf and just taking a picture, and it was super easy, and they just gave me $20. So if you all are interested, I will link the description in the description box, and I will also link it in this video. All right, guys, this is like 8 minutes long. Hopefully y'all looked at it. Now I'm about to do the DIY.